Showcase Beautiful in Pelham's Ballantree. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 4th day of September. Awfully nice out this morning. The sky mostly clear. Temperatures very comfortable. And a holiday weekend is upon us. Let's look at some of these Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from Birmingham. That's the view looking east from the top of the Daniel Building. Sky clear. There's the Clanton City Hall as seen from the Skycam down in Chilton County. And from Inverness, we're looking north from the Wingate Inn back toward Birmingham. Water vapor satellite shot this morning. Pretty quiet around much of the nation. No real strong westerlies anywhere around here, so no severe weather expected today. No flooding problems. What's left of Jimena is over the Gulf of California and fizzling. And look at those numbers. See some upper 50s up there in northwest Alabama. Haleyville looking good at 58. Gadsden 61. Birmingham 64. Expected rain for the next 5 days. This is hinting that we might pick up about 3/4 of an inch here, and this is valid through Tuesday evening of next week, and the bulk of that would be probably Monday and Tuesday. And the tropics, a wave near the Cape Verde Islands, no sign of organization off in the eastern Atlantic, and Erica, the Hurricane Center's kind of indicated this thing is off the board, but we suggest it probably doesn't need to be off the board because it looks pretty good this morning. And yes, it is fighting dry air and shearing, but it's got a nice central dense overcast south of the Virgin Islands. Of course, it's way south of the original idea, but we believe this thing is going to make a comeback. Here's a look at the modeling on Erica. It's going to be forced northward, should stay east of the Bahamas, east of the United States coast. But look at the intensity models. A number of them ramp it up to a minimal hurricane here in a few days. Some keep it a tropical storm, but we think Erica will indeed stay on the board. So we'll watch that. But again, no impact on the weather here at all and should stay east of the United States. So let's look at the modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. And again, the real active westerlies, the winds aloft are up over Canada. And down here should be a pretty quiet day. Northern half of the state should be dry. A little moisture down south and even down there. Don't think it rains much. Tomorrow, the GFS hints that we might want to mention a slight chance of a shower, but for now we've got it dry. We call it partly sunny. You can see some evidence of a little moisture over west and south Alabama. Sunday, the deeper moisture begins to move north, but it's still down south, really over the southern half of the state. We have a slight chance of a shower in our forecast. And, of course, Erica shows up there well east of the Bahamas. Labor Day 2009, there's your look. And Erica moving north. Pretty moist air mass in place, so we'll forecast a good chance of showers here. The high should be around 80. Tuesday, when everybody goes back to work, again, kind of a showery day, mostly cloudy. And Wednesday, it looks a little drier. The deeper moisture seems to be down south. Erica moving north, well east of the Outer Banks. Thursday, the model dries us out, pushes the moisture off to the east, and a week from today, Friday the 11th, trough over the east, ridge over the west. You know that story. And down below that is surface boundary north of us, but again, a fairly calm pattern. End of the forecast, the 19th of September. Same deal. Eastern trough, western ridge. Look at that 594 circle out there over North California. Wow. But again, around here, that suggests maybe a few showers, and still we see no sign of any tropical mischief in the Gulf of Mexico for the next 15 days or so. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Friday, and God bless.